Hi, I'm Kevin. This is my platformer game. My goal was to design a platformer game with a character that has both movement and gravity, a ground layer where you were able to like jump around to like actually, platform. Uh, a red spike slash lava layer that kills you when you touch it, and checkpoints throughout the level, and like a unique level design. To create the game, I use simple 2D shapes for like circles and squares for the sprites. The graphics are pretty simple. I didn't really go all out with that. And then the platforming code was all given to me, so I didn't have to do any coding. And the entire game was made using Unity. This is like, I guess, the layout of the game. And then, like, looking back, I did lose like a large chunk of my progress because the computer crashed, and I didn't save all of my most recent progress. So if I had to do it again, I'd probably just save more often. Just like that. As you can see, you can jump around, and then when you touch like anything red, it'll kill you and send you back to the last checkpoint, which is the green. And yeah.
Okay, and there is a win condition, right?
Yeah, if you go through the entire level, I'll go through it right now. But at the end here, there's I guess a goal. Wait. And yeah, you just when you hit it, you just win. It tells you.
All right, perfect. Awesome. Does anyone have any questions? Yeah. Is there any interactables there, like getting a key, climbing ladders, or anything like that?
I didn't add that because I wanted the game to. I didn't add that because, well, I don't know. I just didn't feel like it fit.
Mm-hmm. So your game is more of like a parkour.
Yeah.
Getting.
It's just
not falling.
meant to be like, just pure platforming.
Mm-hmm. And then there's a darker red, like a. What is that red?
This is just to like change the background, because this is like the easiest way for me to figure out how to change the background. Because there's an area in the level where you jump into the lava, like jump into a discolored area of the lava, and you like enter this new area.
Okay, awesome. All right, thank you. Let's give a round of applause.